Across Alabama now, where a new system for the Oneonta Fire Department will help crews reach you faster during an emergency and a lot safer. More trucks will now be using what's called the EMTRAC system to move through intersections safely and more efficiently during any type of emergency calls. When emergency vehicles approach an intersection, here's what's going to be happening. Their lights and sirens are on, right? Well, the system will communicate with the traffic signals to make sure that the traffic is actually clear. Something the fire chief in Oneonta says going to save time.
Based on the location in the city, we're improving our response times by anywhere from 30 seconds to 1 minute to be able to get on scene faster, which is resulting in faster patient care, faster access to fires, and be able to mitigate the situation quicker.
Yeah, the fire chief there in Oneonta also says don't assume something is wrong with the traffic lights if they are not working properly. The signal timing may reflect emergency vehicles in the area, and that might be approaching.